This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Matthew Rubin. Enjoy your high and dry, like new, turnkey open concept split floor plan 3/2 on a quiet street close to Seminole-Pratt Rd, offering the best of both worlds, privacy and convenience. Meticulously maintained, 2022 custom-built home on 1.14 acres. Porcelain wood look plank tile in main areas. Den can easily convert into fourth bedroom. Impact windows/doors throughout. All wood cabinets west/soft close, large island, granite counters and stainless steel appliances. Great closet/pantry space. Beautiful, custom low maintenance landscaping west/decorative rocks. 2022, appliances/roof/septic/well/water filtration. Large master west/ensuite bathroom. Accord shutters inside covered lanai offer additional storm protection without the need to bring in furniture. Close proximity to Westlake restaurants and shopping.